Look at this. Oh, no. Oh, that's me. I'm supposed to go after this. I'm supposed to go after this. Oh, look at her. Look at Miss Tough Girl. Look at Miss Tough Girl. Oh, look at Miss Tough Girl. Is this not the cutest little... Yes, it is. I need to get another one for little Miss over there. Yes. I'm trying to get them to learn how to use it together. Ah! Help! Puppy attack! Puppy attack! Oh! Ow! Needle teeth? Little needle teeth? Get off my foot! Get out! Ow! Ow! Oh! Come here. Come here. Make the noise. Make the noise. She's very ferocious. Little Miss Gimpleg. Yes, ferocious. Where are you off to? And there she goes. Off to go play with the pots and pans. There's not too much she can get into in there, so I not to worry. Where's your rag bone? Where's your rag bone? I can play rag bones with two of you. Get your rag bone. Get it. Oh, what have I done? Look, giant rag bone. Giant rag bone. And then there's little Miss. Little Miss. Alright, I gotta put the camera down because I got